Have you noticed political parties which have names or symbols which contain religious connotations? While addressing this particular issue, the Supreme Court today sought response from the Election Commission of India while hearing a public interest litigation petition seeking a ban on political parties having names or symbols with religious connotations. A bench comprising Justice M.R. Shah and Justice Krishna Murari was essentially considering a PIL file by Syed Wazeem Rizvi seeking to enforce the mandate of the Representation of People's Act of 1951, which prohibits the luring of voters on the ground of their religion. Today during the hearing, Senior Advocate Gaurav Bhatia, appearing for the petitioner, brought to the notice of the court that two political parties which are recognized as state parties have the word Muslim in their names. He also stated that some parties have the crescent moon and stars in their official party flags. It was also highlighted that the Supreme Court in its 1994 judgment of S.R. Bommai vs. Union of India had underscored that secularism is a part of the basic feature of the Constitution. Referring to the text of Section 123 of the Representation of People's Act, the bench then asked a query as to whether the bar would also apply to political parties, as this particular section refers to a candidate. Addressing this query, Senior Advocate Bhatia apprised the bench that if a candidate of a political party with a religious name seeks votes, then that would also constitute a violation of the Representation of People's Act. He also brought to the notice of the bench that the political party Indian Union Muslim League, which has a name with a religious connotation, has MPs in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, and that they also have MLAs from Kerala. He argued that the party thus violates the Model Code of Conduct and that politics must not be allowed to get polluted this way. Pursuant to these arguments, the bench issued notice to the Election Commission of India and listed the matter for further hearing on October 18th this year. The bench also asked the petitioner to implead in the matter those political parties against whom issuance of directions have been sought. Thank you. I'm Murari for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.